I have put together a quick video of my ceramic coating process. In this specific project, I'm doing a ceramic coating on a new car, which for me is a very popular service for me. So basically I have customers who reach out to me and say, I just purchased a new vehicle, what should I do? And so my recommendation is I do a deep clean of the surface, wheels, tires, the whole car, and then I decontaminate it, and then with a clay towel and a iron remover, and then right after that I do a quick polish. And for my customers, it depends on the scenario. I've had a Tesla that was super trashed, brand new, and needed a full two-step, probably three-step, but she didn't want to pay that much, so two-step paint enhancement, and that took out probably about 70 to 80% of the swirls and scratches, but it was really bad. In this scenario, this customer, actually the paint was in really good condition, so what I did was do a quick polish, which is what I do for every ceramic coating. I know technically you don't have to, but for me, it gives me that sense of I guess peace with the results, to know, or that guarantee to know that it is absolutely bonding with the paint in the best way possible. So I do a polish, and then right after that I coat. So for this specific project, the customer wanted to use the Kronos ceramic coating package that I have. So again, I did the full wash. With the wash, I used Apex. You'll see that in the foam cannon together with an ounce of Dawn, simply because I just feel like it has that extra kick to really begin the process of creating that clean slate that I need for the ceramic coating. So I do that. It's the only time I use Dawn dish soap. It just really has a nice bite to it when I add it to Apex. Apex is a really clean soap. There's no dyes, there's no fragrances, and it's a really great base soap for me to use with my ceramic coating process. So I did that, 1 ounce of Apex with 1 ounce of Dawn in my foam cannon, and that's what I used for the initial wash. Then after that, I did the decon and the clay towel. I did not record that because the sun was starting to come up and I really needed to rush through the process, and I didn't have time to record it. I didn't want the iron spray to hang on to the surface for very long. So I didn't show that process, but I did that. And then right after that, I used Fab Polish for my polishing stage. And this was actually the first time I ever used Fab Polish. And it was actually a really great product to use. It was easy to use. It really unlocked a new level of gloss. The paint, like I said, was actually pretty decent, so the gloss wasn't too bad. But this, I think, helped absolutely with not only creating that clean surface that I needed for ceramic coating, but also it did definitely give an extra kick of gloss. So then once I was done with that, I wiped off the surface. I used Pelias, which many of you detailers out there know it's like the GOAT right now for panel prep. Super easy, really great way to level the surface and make sure that there's no oils, there's no polishing compound, there's nothing on the surface, so it's a really clean, squeaky clean surface that I can use to then ceramic coat on top of. So definitely a staple in my ceramic coating process. So then once I was done with that, then I applied Kronos, and yeah, Kronos is a great product to use. I use it for, I'd say, probably 80% of my ceramic coating jobs is with Kronos, simply because it's a top-notch product, it's easy to use, the results are consistent and pretty guaranteed, no matter what car I do it on, what the process it looks like, whether I'm doing a paint enhancement or just a polish or a correction. No matter what, the results are always the same. And for me in my business, I like products that give me consistent, great top-level results. So Kronos is where I go for my top-of-the-line ceramic coating packages. Definitely easy to use. I did kind of, which is not something you want to do, is use it in the sun. I really didn't have a choice. I tried my best to kind of shield the car from the sun, or try to move as quickly as possible. You want to do it in some type of shade, but I was doing it in the early morning hours, so the sun wasn't as intense by the time I was done, which was great. By the time the sun got intense, I was already moving to the wheels. So definitely a great product to use. I think all around, when you're doing a ceramic coating, using that brand's ecosystem is really great, because you know that from beginning to end, all of the products work well with each other, and then at the end of the day, for me as a professional, I can guarantee the results to my clients in a consistent way. Hey guys, so I just wanted to say thank you so much for tuning in. It is getting hot in here, guys, so I have to cut out of here, but I just wanted to say thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. I hope that anything that I mentioned in this video is really helpful for you, not just as a professional detailer or a DIY, but even just anyone out there who's looking to get this service done. I would love to provide these services to you and give you these results. If you live in the area of Twentynine Palms or Joshua Tree or Palm Springs, Coachella Valley, definitely send me a message. I'd love to talk about our packages and what kind of services I can provide to you, especially if you have a new car. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate you taking the time, and I'll see you guys on the next one. It's hot. Sheesh, fucking hot. The perks of wearing glasses is that they're always dirty.